Intelepath was providing the best, and
Right.
especially with SP Jain in the picture, it was just the perfect or like opportunity for me.
So please go ahead and introduce yourself.
So my name is Queenie James, and I have 4.5 years of experience
Right.
in various fields.
Mhm.
So my last experience was as a business developer in one
Right.
of the companies.
Right. That's pretty good to know. So you can let me know what was the reason for you to opt in for this SPJMR course from Intelepath side.
So as I told you, I was working in business development.
Mhm.
My job entails me to know sales
Right.
and enhance company revenue.
Mm-hmm.
And digital marketing plays a very crucial role in that
Correct.
aspect. So
Mhm.
that's why I wanted to learn digital marketing, just to enhance my horizon and get a broader perspective of the industry.
You had decided to opt in the course from Intelepath, and what was the reason for you to opt in for Intelepath of all the places?
So I took the course last October,
Mhm.
and at the time there were very few courses on digital marketing available in the market,
True.
and Intelepath was providing the best, and
Right.
especially with SP Jain in the picture, it was just the perfect or like opportunity for me, and also the reviews were great. The mentor list was amazing. So yeah, that's why I chose it.
Right. I'm glad to hear that. So apart from that, since you've been a participant with us from a long time now, right, you would have a better understanding towards our training and our support and also the mentorship that we provide. So
That's right.
what do you say about our mentors, mainly the trainers?
Okay. So basically, I love the fact that they were extremely patient and they actually dealt with each one of our doubts in detail.
Right.
And they did not lose their patience at all. Besides that, they started off from the basic and moved slowly to the industry. So I love how the growth went on with the professors, and they were easily accessible. We could ask them doubts and reach out to the support team. Even the support team reaches out like immediately and responds very soon. So it was really good.
Good to know. So I'm glad to hear that you have a positive experience with our trainers as well. Right. So apart from all of this, do you have any situation or any day that you really wanted some help? Since you are a beginner to this industry, you would obviously have too many doubts. Right.
Yeah.
So you would have approached support or the technical support of our team, and there might be a situation where there was a delay or there was a good experience, whatever that you had exactly. So you can share such information.
So usually what happens is the classes are going on for like 2 to 3 hours. So that's a lot of information to take in.
Correct.
So there are times where you won't even realize you have a doubt. Then when you look back at the class, that's when you realize that, okay, you didn't understand this aspect so well. And that time, you just mail out to the support team, and the Intelepath reaches out to you, or even you can contact the industry mentors. And I didn't have a particular instance per se, but then I did have it initially when I was doing the course, like probably in December.
Right.
And I did get the response immediately, and I got my doubts cleared.
Right. That's really good to know. So did you think whatever that you have paid so far, was it worth it, is what I wanted to know.
I actually truly believe in investing in education. Most of the other courses were also in the similar lines. So I think you should go with what your reviews say and do a little bit of research. And it was, for me, Intelepath worked out fine and perfect, actually.
That's pretty nice of you to say. Right. Thank you so much for taking your time, and being patient with me so far, and giving your valuable feedback. Right. It is really nice of you to say such words about it.
It was lovely talking to you.
Yeah, it's the same for me, ma'am. It's the same for me. Right?
Thank you.
See you.
All right, see you.